Friends, today we are going to watch some very exciting video. If friends put Coca-Cola in the fuel tank of a car, can the car be driving? We will put all this Coca-Cola bottle in the fuel tank of the car. This is the condition of the outside and inside of the fuel tank of our car. There is no fuel inside. The whole fuel tank is empty. This time we will put the all Coca-Cola bottle one by one inside the fuel tank of the car. Friends, with 30 liters of Coca-Cola inside the car fuel tank. Let's put Mentos inside the car fuel tank to see if it's possible to drive the car. Incredibly, the car started to move. But after a while the car engine shut down, which means it's impossible to drive with Coca-Cola. Friends, we took a grenade to do this experiment. But the grenade could not lift a lid of the manhole. Friends, a dumb bomb can lift the lid of the manhole to the ground. The dumb bomb left it far above the ground. Friends, this time we put a rocket behind a plane. Let's see what happens. As soon as the rocket was fired, the plane went some distance and fell to the ground. Friends, this time we have to take a lot of cold drinks. Is going to be a big bang. I put the cold drinks one by one inside a big drum. The foam comes out of the drum and rises far above the sky. Friends, don't be afraid, this is going to be a very beautiful experiment. What a horrible way the washes are coming out looking so nice. Friends, this time a car is going to be a big bang. I put a lot of matchstick in the can bottle behind the car. As soon as the fire started, the car went up very fast. This time I put two rockets inside the round ball and let's see what happens. As soon as the two rockets started firing, they started spinning very fast, but one of the rockets fell out. Friends, we can't imagine what this experiment is going to be like. Friends, can try this experiment at home if you want. Friends, is a very fun science trick.